Welcome to Grenada. Grenada is known for its rich spices such as clove, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, saffron, its friendly people, mouth-watering dishes, pristine beaches, and so much more. Come with me as we travel around the beautiful island of Grenada. True nature, true beauty, the spice of the Caribbean. I don't know what the name of this waterfall is, but I'm about to find out. It's a little past Annandale Waterfall. I don't think it has a name though, so let me just put it out here. It's steep.
Yes, the mud is gonna.
All right, grab my head. Come on, pull, pull, pull. Yeah. All right. Woo. Look at it. This is so cool.
Mommy,
Wow.
yes.
Beautiful. Oh, you're not coming up? Why? You're not, it's not slippery. I'm telling you, it's not slippery. So that was a quick stop. Now we're heading off to other places. I'm not sure where. Hopefully we can get to River Tubing. If not, then maybe another waterfall. Who knows? We're just going with the flow right now. Y'all with y'all slippers. Going adventures with slippers on. I have grip on my slippers, so I'm Gucci. Oh, don't leave me. The boy over there picking up his coconuts all the way over there.